Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. Is XPR and Metallicus a scam? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent, which is convenient, safe, and secure. You guys can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $30 off if you use the link in the description box below. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, which has got $99 off. And Decent supports more than 3,000 plus coins and tokens. One of your favorite ones, and supports 50 plus supported blockchain mainnet. So do check that out. And now, without further ado, let us look at the XPR network's price and chart at the time of the recording, guys. So this is XPR. It is up 1.63% for the day. The price is $0.001762. The lowest it has gone is 0.001735. The highest it has gone is 0.00178, almost 0.0018, guys. If we look at the 7-day chart, guys, then we can see that XPR is down 12.78% in the last 7 days. This is basically aligning with the rest of the market as well. I've told you again and again that since the Bitcoin's all-time high, the market has seen a lot of volatility and a lot of projects have dipped quite significantly. So XPR in the last 7 days has also dipped, guys. It dipped all the way from 0.002 area to 0.0017. 18 almost. If we look at the last 1 month, guys, this is turning out to be an attraction point for the last 1 month, guys. 0.0017, because whenever the price comes down, in this case, it came as low as 0.0013, as high as 0.0024. The price has gone back to these levels. This is the magnet point that I like to call, guys, for the last month. But if you look at the yearly, we can get a better perspective, guys, and this is indeed really great, guys. XPR has broken this crucial resistance line over here, 0.0015. It went as low as 0.000578 in the last year, guys. This was a really great entry point. If anyone has timed their entries and bought XPR at this point range and rode this wave all the way to 0.002 or even 0.0018 at the moment, guys. So congratulations and kudos, because we've been talking about it, that it is extremely undervalued for regardless of what people are saying, the market, this chart, guys, this is extremely undervalued. Doesn't get any lower than this. Check this out, guys. This is a crucial resistance point over here, 0.003697, 0.003, 0.004. This is the next resistance point, guys, which will give XPR. I beg to. I'm sorry for calling it LCX time and again. I just made a video on LCX, so that is on my tongue. Anyways, so this will be a crucial resistance to break for XPR. And guys, if it breaks this, then guys, we'll go soon. We'll go to the cent mark and all of those areas, because these are some crucial resistance points. $44 million for what it is offering, guys. And if it indeed is true, guys, it will fly, guys. And ISO 20022 compliant coin. It has a lot of potential, in my opinion, if if they stay true to the game and if they stay true to their promises and everything, guys. So I saw an interesting post which I wanted to share with you guys. This is a friend of mine, Red Pill Pro. Let me like this as well, as I really like what he's doing. Red Pill Pro basically posted this. He talks about utility coins as well, and he is basically now talking about XPR at the moment. So I really like this post and the discussion that people were having on it. Can anyone explain why XPR is a scam with real data? All I ever see is XRP versus XPR bickering and Riddler proofs. Yeah, there are a lot of Riddler proofs like conspiracy theories, 589, Simpsons, a lot of stuff. I mean, XPR versus XRP, but very less fruitful stuff and very less stuff with real data, accurate data. Anyways, I don't have a good impression of Proton, but is metal payments really a scam? So according to Mr. Red Pill Crypto, Red Pill Pro, he doesn't have a good impression of Proton for some reasons which he knows of. In my opinion, it might be with the supply increase and a bit of stuff that happened, the FUD that was happening, and a lot of stuff, guys. But is metal payments really a scam? This is his question. So, what have people to answer? The community answered different stuff, guys. Aren't there some ties to FedNow or something too? Yes, metal has, according to a lot of posts, articles that we've also talked about and seen. FedNow is somehow related to it as well. Fiserv as well is connected. So big names. No, not for XPR. It was for Metal, but yeah, part of the Metallicus ecosystem. If XPR is a scam, then that makes Metal and other prospects of it as well a scam. But no, they paid for a showcase. XPR, bro, yes, according to Mr. Wigbuster, yes, they are involved with FedNow. No, not directly, but yes, through other providers like Volante. It won't be needed inside the borders as stablecoins will make more sense once they get the legals in place. XRP is strictly useful for cross-border payments, and that's about it. Brad saw Yahoo falter by trying to be too many things to everyone and failing at all of them, so he manages the company to be great at one hard to do things, and that's payments. Even if it is not directly involved, but indirectly being involved with such names, I mean, that also somehow mitigates and curbs that scam factor, in my opinion. But, anyways, let us see. All the haters below are mad. Lots are mad, but you can't have your cake and eat it too. LOL. XPR blows XRP out of the water. This is one of those that is uh, passionate and bullish about XPR, and he believes that XPR has been building quite well in the bear market. More people building on XPR network with real world projects than XRP has in the past 12 years. Okay, so isn't that discounting? Let me click this. Okay. Isn't that discounting all of the institutional connections and use cases built with Ripple and or Ripple partners? Pop your bubble. Bank A wants to transfer to Bank B. What happens in between without XRPL being BSA compliant, having any KYC or D? ID on chain. Why RippleNet was built a network. Metal blockchain has everything there, and Metallicus have the ID on chain patent. Dude, Marshall is a scam artist. Don't drink the Kool-Aid. So according to Rich Galore, Marshall is a scammer and he's a scam artist. Don't drink the Kool-Aid. They don't have that patent at all, mate. So according to Civil, they don't have the patent at all. But according to another proponent, they have the patent and they are bullish. This is one of those guys projects that has so many different polarized views. Some are passionate, extremely passionate, vehemently passionate about XPR, the Metallicus ecosystem, while there are others who blatantly call it and straightforwardly call it a scam, and they're claiming that no patent at all. They're just it is all smokes and mirrors, basically. Not a scam, it works, is easy to use, and a lot being built. See, I told you guys, do your own research. Some are saying that, yeah, it is. Its tokenomics are a scam, no max supply, a new project, new tokens being minted. Investors are underwater. The 1% are the ones that got free XPR from airdrop or were given free XPR on top of the supply was doubled from 6 billion to 14 billion. So yeah, the supply double has also garnered a lot of hate towards it. That yeah, and rightfully so. I mean, if the supply increases all of a sudden, sudden people and investors, I mean, they get mad. This is true. The main problem we see in the financial system today, and by the way, some of the proponents and the community members I talked about the supply increase, they said that it was to make it self-reliant and to develop it internally, not relying on third parties. They needed those funds, so this is why they increased it. And so, anyways, regardless of that, people are rightfully mad about that. The only thing now is the future. Let's hope that they get over this, all of this stuff, and deliver. Basically, the main problem we see in the financial system today and why inflation is so high and purchasing power has dropped so low is from money printing and the fractional reserve banking system, the creation of currency without any intrinsic value out of thin air. Yeah, this is the reason I told you guys that people are mad. Metallicus security issuer brought the supply of XPR from 6 billion to 28 billion, a 367% increase. Like the US government, Metallica's excuse for destroying XPR's value was to stimulate their economy. If you think gutting the value of a currency is a smart economic policy, load up on XPR. To me, this just exposes the moronic and likely corrupt people running the project. I also wrote a piece on the highly manipulative proposal that Hayner created. If you want to trust these types of actions, all the power to you. So this supply increase basically has generated a bit of heat. Main problem with the financial system is inflation. Oh my God, really? Is that all you got? What about the 13 families that own the Fed and print free money? Then we pay taxes for their debt system. Inflation and deflation is their tool to tax you more. Wake up. Your leading comprehension is poor. Anyways, this is about the financial system and not just XPR at the moment. Heavily involved with FEDNOW and other government entities. So see, there, these are the pros. Heavily involved with FedNow and other government entities. Nerdy Sean S90X is full of knowledge on Proton and Metal blockchain. His knowledge is what helped me decide to secure a position in the assets, not financial advice, obviously. So check this out. Fiserv, XPR 4500 TPS, 0.005 finality. CFO on board of Casper, worked at Casper. Marshall, the CEO, created first BTC wallet on Facebook. Helped Jet at XLM write the code and start XLM. So yeah, guys, there are so many different opinions, about this. But at the end of the day, people get confused, and so did Red Bull Pro. Check this out. My only conclusion on XPR is that I have no idea about XPR. I mean, this is one of those projects, guys, to be very honest. A lot of polarized views, guys. 50%, 60% saying that, yeah, it is the best, the new best thing, The other people saying that it is a scam and straightforward, a manipulative project, and Marshall, they talk badly about Marshall that he blocks them, he doesn't answer questions, a lot of stuff. Anyways, it is the only one that continuously stumps me. So he's got no idea of how to decipher or decode it. But guys, in my opinion, XPR still has potential if they continue on the road. They did mistakes in the past. The supply increase, I mean, that is not justified whatsoever. Regardless of the reasons and whatever, guys, when a token is launched and people say that this is the supply, I mean, all of a sudden, increasing the supply is never good. It happened with WhatsApp as well, and it is suffering still, guys. But if XPR in the future, the reasons I know of the supply increase, those legit reasons, guys, if they now continuously upgrade and develop, and the Metallicus ecosystem thrives, FedNow's involvement, Fiserv involvement, and they create this ecosystem, self-reliant ecosystem, guys, which is ISO 20022 compliant, working with banks, governments, institutions. It can increase and give great profits because, like we can see in the last month, guys, although it has reached rock bottom, but it gave decent gains and it has potential, guys. The volume increase is also a it also justifies that, guys. Check this out. The volume increased 25 million, guys, 25.68 million at one point. So it indeed has potential, guys. XRP is still ongoing FUD, despite having a $30 billion market cap. If XPR reaches a $30 billion market cap somewhere down the line, I mean, regardless of the FUD, regardless of so many people talking bad about it, like they're talking about XRP at the moment, I mean, that is a win-win in terms of investment, but who knows, guys, what happens. I'm okay with that. If it is a scam, I don't have exposure. If it is not, congrats to the holders. So according to him, if it is a scam, fine. If it is not, congrats. I don't have to hit a home run with everything at bet. So, guys, what do you guys think about XPR being a scam and this entire debate, guys? What do you guys think? I would like your opinions about the Metallicus ecosystem, XPR. So, guys, do hit the comment box below and talk about it. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.